To find an element in a list, use the index method passing the object you're searching for. The elements are compared for equivalence or value equality until the one you're looking for is found and its index returned. Here we create a list W containing the words "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" using the string split method. Searching for fox using the index method returns the integer 3, which of course allows us to get hold of that element. If you search for a value that isn't present, like unicorn, you'll receive a value error, which we'll learn how to handle gracefully in the next module. Another means of searching is to count matching elements using the count method. Here we count occurrences of the word "the". If you just want to test for membership, you can use the in operator, or for non-membership using the not in operator. Elements are removed from lists using a keyword with which we have not yet become acquainted, del. The del keyword takes a single parameter, which is a reference to a list element, and removes it from the list, shortening the list in the process. Here we make a string U containing the word "jackdaws love my big sphinx of quartz" using the string split method. We can delete the fourth element using del U3, leaving "jackdaws love my sphinx of quartz." It's also possible to remove elements by value rather than by position, using the remove method. Here we pass jackdaws to that method, giving us "love my sphinx of quartz." This is of course equivalent to using the del statement and the index method in combination. Attempting to remove an item which is not present, such as pyramid, results in a value error. Items can be inserted into lists using the insert method, which accepts the index of the new item and the new item itself. Here we create a list A containing the words "I accidentally the whole universe." We insert the word "destroyed" at index 2 using a call to the insert method, giving us "I accidentally destroyed the whole universe." We can convert this list of words back into a string by calling the string join operator on a space separator.